What's up? My name is Patrick. I'm from San Diego. I'll be your MC for this part of the song. Actually, we're performing two songs. John's performing a solo after me.
Hello. Okay. Hi, my name is John. I'm a third-year student at UC San Diego. I'm originally from Sacramento, and this is my third year coming back for H&L. I try to do something different every time. So this first song that we're going to be singing is called Old School Love. It's a song by Lil Big Fiasco and Ed Sheeran. So I hope you really enjoy this one.
Baby, give me that old school love right now. You know it's only you and me alone. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. Oh.
I was looking for an opportunity. Too many guys to feel with your feelings. So when you met me, your soul was already twisted. Your heart is shattered. And I'm here to pick up the pieces. Now you got me sitting here contemplating, how am I going to do this? And honestly, I don't know.
I don't know. Let me tell you I'm tired of waiting. I'm just trying to get back to the basics, like dinner date for a table of two. Life is playing jazz and blues. Give me that old school love. One time, baby, just one time.
Just one time, baby, just one time. I was thinking, maybe you could show me where we begin, so that you and I can understand what it means to love again. So as long as I'm here, and as long as you love me, we can make this work. Just close your eyes and believe. We're going through the universe, just you and me, till infinity.
Infinity, till infinity. Baby, give me that old school love right now. You know it's only you and me alone. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. Oh.
I often found myself haunted by memories of the past, but you came in and showed me that the good times, they get to last. Good times and good vibes. This whole world is so full of positivity, so I embrace the hate and hug the negativity. Learn to love myself a little more each day. Yo, now I know it's cliche to say, yo, you're my saving grace, and I don't know what I'd do without you.
Without you, without you. Let your hair down, we can cruise. Take a trip right down Love Avenue. Put your records on, and a song I can sing to you. Give me that old school love. Leather jackets and grease, baby, you know me. Page me over there.
Yeah, you know what?
That
You know what that means.
that old school love, that old school love.
How about that old school love, baby? That's that old school love.
Hey, baby, give me that old school love right now. You know it's only you and me alone. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. As long as I'm here, as long as you love me, give me that old school love right now. Whoa.
Thanks, GCR. I'm actually going to leave the stage right now, so I'll see you guys.
Okay, who's gonna be back? We got that. Who's gonna who? So this next song is, it was originally composed and written by me, and I just recently finished this week, so since H&L holds a very special place in my heart, I thought I would debut it right here for y'all. So this song is called Kotsoke Lu, and it means your love. So in heart of Valentine's Day, to all the lovers out there, hopefully y'all enjoy it. Thank you.
You're